Hello everybody, this is Vieira from Vieira Coins. Today I can explain how to find gold and the silver inside the bag of looks like a custom jewelry. So let's start it. Basically make a little note, any on good, TF for gold fill, silver, 10 carats, 14 carats. I cannot move fast because the custom authorized to make a video, a live. So let's start it. So the first thing, I even know if you can find anything good in here. So let's go. Let's do it as we go. The first thing you're gonna do it, you cannot remove everything is not jewelry. Like I have a mix of watches. So just you cannot evaluate by the end of this video. Okay, I'm gonna leave for the last. There's a lot of watches in here today. Okay. All watches is in here. You can put on side. So you can spread all the jewelries on the table. And you need a strong magnified magnet and to turn around. Everything sticking to the magnet is aromatic, not gold and not silver. Okay, silver and the gold doesn't stick on the magnet. So that's this way to remove forever. It's a 100% custom jewelry. If not stick to the magnet, you can select two different containers, white metals and yellow metals. Also can be checked for gold or silver. Okay. So I put in here whatever yellow. And let's keep it moving. It's not necessary if it is sticking the magnet. It's not automatic gold or silver, but there's a possibility to find something good. And you have something attached to it. You have to make sure to remove it or check one by one. Okay. So far not good. Okay. Let's put the yellow there. This is good. Go. Go. This doesn't. Okay. So I have some coins in here. So that is a face value or not collectible coins. You choose keep back the customer. And if you see something can be numismatic or silver or precious metals value, you evaluate afterwards. Okay. Let's make another container of white. You see, you have a lot of different jewelry attached to each other. So you just make sure to go one by one. You don't want to miss it. Okay. Okay, everything attached. This looks silver for sure. This can be gold. More coins. You never know. Why so quiet, Marcus? You can talk, man. And then when you put it in magnet, make sure you now run on the locks, because the lock have the spring inside, and the spring is attached to the magnet. Okay, you have to run on the middle of the jewelry, not by the lock. Okay. This one is finished, the first phase. Okay, I didn't find a lot of stuff. It's not magnetic. So like I say, you come around. We will run a test afterwards. That's just to make it easy. Just one job. Okay, everything here is 100% nugget. I got some white metals and be silver or white gold, and I got here yellow metals and be gold. So let's test it. I like to use acid neutralizer to kill the gold on the stone before test it. So that way it's not going to be contaminated with the old tests. Okay, once you neutralize the old ones, you can start it. Let's go yellow ones first. So basically just gonna look for marks. Not necessarily have to trust the marks, just to make it easy to use the right test. But I never trust the marks, because the marks, people can fake it. It's easy to fake it. At least they can pay like $5 for any jewelry store, they put a F1. Okay, that's the first one. Let's go. This is not good. This is 14 carats. So 14. And I know one here is not good because it's the same from the old ones. And I know one is 14. It's part of the set. Okay, the first one, you can lock. So far, so good. And when you scratch, you can feel it, the softness of the metal. So automatically know it's cold or not. Most of the time I know it's not good, but I check because the customer is right in front of me. So she can see for sure you're doing the right thing. This is gold, but looks weak. Senhor, eu posso cortar isso na metade? Deixa eu authorize to cut and a half to check inside. So once looks weird, if the customer authorized to cut and a half, so you can test not the superficial part of the metal, so you're gonna test inside the metal. This is 10 carats. So you make another pile. When you scratch, if the scratch shows, if the scratch shows brown coral, white coral, or red coral is automatic not gold. Okay, that's the alloy inside, so it's not good. And sometimes you find as well cold field. Cold field have a mix of portion of gold inside. This is so tiny. Okay, when you have a tiny stuff right there, you want to put all together. And make something like that to be able to scratch it. And it is cold. 10 carats. Not good. So you want to have a red color like that and white, it's not gold, automatic. Okay, keep it doing. Just looks okay. Just tutorial to check it. So scratch. Test 14. Let's see the earrings. 14. Another 14. Okay, just nothing. Okay, estanco. Just open up. Just looks good. Let's see. No, it's a beautiful chain, but it's not. Posso cortar este? Deixa eu autorar isso muito cana rápido. To see inside what's going on. When I have a hollow jewelry, sometimes they fill with different metal. So always ask the customer if you can cut. If they authorize, make it easy for us. Can cut it. Custom. Almost finished. When it's done right there, I know nothing is good. I'm just gonna double check because the customer here, so they can see everything. Just flip over the stone. Oh, there's a lot of size. Nothing. Okay, that's the other one. Let's go to white one. When I have a white, make sure it's silver or sometimes it's white gold. So I always try to look for mark to make it easy for you. Like here stamp silver and to fill silver. To test silver, usually I use 18 carats acid. So when it become like milk color, if inside shows milky color, it is silver. But this is silver plated. I thought it was silver. Just nothing. Put it one more time. Okay. Silver. If you're using the 18 carats acid, if it shows the white spot right there, like a milk color, it is silver. Another silver. Silver. 95, that's the number for sterling silver. It's nothing. This is silver. silver, nothing. Just feels weird. Silver. And nothing. Okay, from the whole container, I got watches. I have to go through custom jewelry, and from the custom jewelry, I got little silver, 14 carats gold, few pieces, and 10 carats gold. I will say about 200 plus total. Not bad. Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching. I see you next time.